Okay, finally we come to our neural network part, and today we are going to build a simple neural network in Python with Keras. I'll show you step by step. So deep learning is like a black box. So today we are going to look inside. Okay, there are several steps. First, we need to load the data set, and then we will define the model. Also, in today's example, we have the sequential model, and I will define 3 layers of the model. So we will compile the model and fit the model with the data set. So this part is the real training part. After some time of training, we will do the evaluation and the prediction. So let's see the code. So first we have to download the data set. It's like here. This data set is come from the UCI repository. And so it's about some patients in India, and we will see whether the patients will have diabetes in 5 years. So this is the binary classification problem. Okay, so first we import some models, and you can see here this is a random number generator. So we fix the seeds. So each time when we run this code, we will have the same results. So after that, we can load our data. So this X, it means the input variables. We have 8 dimensions of the input data, and the Y is the output class variable. So it means it will put 1 as diabetes, and 0 is not diabetes. So after that, we create our model. Our model is a sequential model. It's the most basic one, and we add 3 layers of the fully connected layer, and this can see the input dimension is 8, and the other layers we do not need to define the dimension, but we can define the size, the neurons of the layer. The first layer we have 12 neurons, and then 8, and then 1. It's from the bigger and to the smaller. And at last it's 1, and the output is also 1. Okay, so here we also have some hyperparameters like the initialization. We use the uniform model. So the initialization, it means that at first what's the number will be of our weights in the neurons. So the activation part is the very important part of the deep learning. So it means that whether the data can go through the model. So we use the value algorithm. So there are also many other algorithms to choose. So this is what we define the model. Okay. So then we will compile the model, and we will see what the model will like. You can see here we have 3 layers, and this is the shape, and we have more than 200 parameters to train. And after some time the training, this is the training part, and we can have this 200 parameters to most fit our data set. So this won't take long. You can see the accuracy is being better, and the loss function is being smaller. It means that the model is being more perfect after some training. The training epoch is 150 times. That means we go through our whole data set for 150 times, and each time our batch size is 10. So each time we have 10 columns of data input. Okay, so let's see what the result is here. Okay, after some training, we can evaluate our model. Let's see the scores. We use the accuracy to see the prediction of class, whether it will have the diabetes or not. So the accuracy is like 78, because we haven't trained for a long time. So maybe if we increase the epoch times, maybe the result will be better. Okay, so this part is the prediction part. Let's see what it predicts. Like the it will have the diabetes or not. It's like this. Okay, see you.